Look at what I am bringing you today. Isn't she gorgeous? This is a 1972 Road Runner, and it is all done. You will get photos of this in bare metal. That should tell you everything you need to know right there. It is the 400. It is the high output. It has been dynoed and it comes with the sheets. 4-speed, pistol grip, sure grip, rear end. It has it all. Everything that you are looking for in a car is here. Now take a good look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? When I say this, I mean it. This is the one car when you take it to the show, there's a flock of people around it and it's always winning an award. This is it. It is at that level. When you see the video, you're going to be in love with it. The detail on this car is at a level all of its own. Every little piece is fully detailed on this car. What a great opportunity it is for you to own a car at this level. Remember, it comes with all the photos of this build. Complete strip down to bare metal. That tells you everything on the car has been done for you. Just drop in the key, enjoy this ride. It is gorgeous.